Welcome to Lilia's Bookshelf. I'm Lilia.
And I'm Lilia's mom. Today we're going to read In a Garden. Please like and subscribe to hear more great books like this one. Enjoy! In a Garden, written by Tim McCanna, illustrated by Aimee Sicuro. In a garden on a hill, sparrows chirp and crickets trill. In the earth a single seed sits beside a millipede. Worms and termites dig and toil, moving through the garden soil. Then, at last, a tiny shoot ever slowly forms a root, first a seedling, then a sprout, pushing, bursting up and out. In a garden, day by day, newborn flowers find their way. Sunlight warms the morning air, dewdrops shimmer here and there, earwigs scuttle, beetles scurry, roly-polies scoot and worry. Sleepy slugs and garden snails leave behind their silver trails. Frantic teams of busy ants scramble up the stems of plants. In a garden, week by week, little creatures hunt and squeak. All the while a sprout is growing without anybody knowing. Bugs emerge and leaves unfold, braving wind and heat and cold. Stretching, spreading, open wide, just the perfect place to hide. Underneath it's safe and snug for a lonely ladybug. In a garden showers fall, dainty drinks for one and all. Flower petals bold and bright blossom in the beaming light. Blooms of every shape and size call to bees and butterflies. Daisies, foxglove, tulip, plum, daffodil, chrysanthemum. Sips of nectar warm and sweet, pollen clings to heads and feet. Round and round they buzz and flit, only pause to rest a bit. In a garden, bugs aglow, flashing, flying to and fro. Lacewigs, gnats, mosquitoes, spiders, dragonflies, and water striders live among the cattail reeds, lily pads, and water weeds, keeping hid from hungry eyes, using colors to disguise. Crafty bugs with clever tricks look like leaves or bark or sticks. In a garden full of green, many moments go unseen. Finding shelter in the shade, careful rows of eggs are laid, as a cool and gentle breeze whisper through the tops of trees. Then a seed slips to the ground, sinking in without a sound. Time goes by, and then life returns to start again. Always changing, never still, in a garden, on a hill.
Thanks for reading this book with us. Please like us on social media for updates on new books. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
Dee-doo.